Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you this vintage farmhouse chic home decor. So everything is from the Dollar Tree except for one thing that we'll go over in a little while. So I have these frames left over from a previous DIY where I only used the images that were in the frame. So now I'm going to go ahead and use these frames for a different DIY. All I'm doing is disassembling the frame from the glass and the backing so that I can go ahead and paint the frames. I have 3 frames. So now I have the shelf liner from the Dollar Tree that looks like the faux wood, the dark wood one, and I'm just cutting that to fit the size of the backing. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the backing to that contact paper. So this is what it'll look like after the contact paper is on. Now I have these doilies, these paper doilies from the Dollar Tree that come in a pack of 32, and I'm just going to place them onto the shelf liner here, just in different patterns, adding just a little bit of hot glue to hold them down. Now you can go ahead and assemble the glass with the backing back onto the frame, and this is what it'll look like. So for the next part of the DIY, I have this mason jar, this large mason jar. This one is not from the Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree does carry large size mason jars. So now I'm just placing one of the doilies on it. I added just a little bit of glue, and now I'm tying around some twine. I also added some twine to the top rim of the mason jar. So here I have these flowers that I made using plaster of Paris, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And I'm just adding some glue right onto the flower and attaching it to the twine. So this is the plaster of Paris. I picked it up at Lowe's. It was $7.18. So here I have 1 cup of water, and I'm going to add 2 cups of the plaster of Paris into that water and just mix it until it's dissolved completely. Here I have some flowers that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and all you're going to do is just dip it right into that mixture. So I'm just shaking it just to get some excess off, and I'm placing it onto a glass surface. You want to use like a glass surface or parchment paper so it doesn't stick once it's dried. So here I'm just kind of fluffing the flowers just so that it can look more like the flower instead of kind of getting flattened out. And here are all the flowers after I dipped them all into the mixture. So now I have this candle holder, also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and hot glue some of those flowers right onto the top part of the candle holder, just right in front of the mason jar. And now I'm adding some more with the hot glue all the way around the bottom of the candle holder. Next part of the DIY, I just have this book here from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just ripping off the cover and the backing and the couple of pages before chapter 1. Now I'm just adding some twine around the center of the book here, and I'm just going to secure it in the back with some hot glue. And I didn't realize until I was editing that this book has a bunch of curse words in the front, chapter 1. So maybe you want to use like a romantic novel or something like that. So now I'm just hot gluing one of those flowers onto the center of the twine. So here's the final result, guys. I did end up using some more of those flowers and just hot gluing it to the edge of these frames here. And I just love the way it came out. It's very vintage farmhouse chic to me. And also I have a bunch more of ideas to use with these flowers with that plaster of Paris. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos coming out. So thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor and just go ahead and hit that like button. Also share the video and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these DIY. Thanks for watching. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.